Pain. Bad feeling you get in your body when something hurts. I feel pain in my leg. She is having pain in her head. Routine. The usual way you do things every day. Exercise is in my daily routine. I follow the same routine every morning. Recycle. To use things again after treating them. We should recycle paper and plastic. They recycle old clothes. Wait. Not to do something until something happens. She is waiting for her friend. I waited at the bus stop. Brave. A person who faces danger or fear without running away. The fireman was very brave. The brave boy saved the cat. Share. To give part of something to someone else. I share my toys with my brother. She always shares her lunch. Visit. To go and see someone or some place for a short time. We will visit the zoo tomorrow. She visited her friend in the hospital. Fence. A wall around a place to keep things in or out. There is a fence around the garden. She is building a fence in her backyard. Follow. To go after someone or something. The dog follows its owner. She followed the map. Invite. To ask someone to come to a place or event, like a party, dinner, or meeting. She invited her friend for lunch. They invited us to the wedding.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!